Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to add memory to ChatGPT on your desktop or browser. Memory allows ChatGPT to learn your preferences dynamically. There are two distinct ways it handles this information: saved memories and chat history. To enable these, click your profile name in the bottom left corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Personalization tab. Here, you can toggle both Reference Saved Memories and Reference Chat History. Reference Saved Memories are for high-level facts you explicitly tell ChatGPT to remember, like your name or dietary restrictions. These are treated like permanent custom instructions that stay in its notepad until you delete them. For example, you can type this in the prompt: "Save this to memory. I go to London every 2 years." Reference chat history is different. This allows ChatGPT to scan your past conversations to pick up subtle context, like your favorite food or writing style, making future answers more relevant without you asking it to save anything. You can manage these at any time by clicking Manage in the settings. This lets you search through, sort, or delete specific memories if ChatGPT picks up something you'd rather it forget. If you want a clean slate without a record, use Temporary Chat. It ignores both your saved memories and your chat history, ensuring that specific session doesn't influence any future responses. And that's it. Combining saved memories with chat history makes ChatGPT a much more capable assistant. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.